This video will show you how the keyless entry feature works and how the keyless locking feature works. Keyless entry allows you to unlock and enter the vehicle without having to press any buttons on the smart key. Key will need to be within 1 meter or 3 feet of the door handle or tailgate release switch for this feature to operate correctly. To unlock and enter your vehicle in this way, just pull the door handle. This will disarm the alarm and unlock the doors. As confirmation, the hazard warning lamps will flash twice. You can also lock the vehicle without using the smart key. Press the keyless locking sensor on the driver's door handle once. To double lock, press the sensor again within 3 seconds. The hazard warning lamps will flash twice to confirm locking, and an audible warning will be heard. Be careful not to grab the door handle when touching the sensor, as this will stop the vehicle from locking. The smart key also needs to be present and detected outside of the vehicle for the locking feature to work. For further information about this feature or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Land Rover dealer, who will be more than happy to assist you.